हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल बी अ प्रोग्रामर में। सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट internship opportunity in Paytm. I will be giving everything, every information, how to apply for this job, what is the eligibility, what are the things you need to keep in the mind. And firstly, I will tell you one thing, that there is no eligibility for this job. That if you are a graduate, you are doing your graduation, or you are a 2020, 2022 or 2020 pass out, you can apply for this internship. And it is a very good internship, because I will tell you, because if you are good in designing, suppose, then you can apply for this internship, because it is a general internship. You all can, if you are good at app development, web development, anything, you can apply for this internship. And that presumes that BTech can apply, BCom can apply, BBA can apply, everyone can apply. So let me show you how to apply for this internship, and what are the things you are going to learn, and how to apply. I will show you everything practically. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, because we are updating regular updates related to internship, job interviews, job updates, and interview tips, experiences, so just consider subscribing our channel so that you can never miss an update, and press the bell icon too. So let's start with our video, how to apply for the internship. So the first step is go to any browser, Chrome, Firefox, any browser. Just click on the link. This link will be posted on my Telegram channel also. Just join my Telegram channel, because I have been posting many new, like job updates there also, and many exclusive things are there also, many materials related to interviews, about aptitude. So just consider joining it, and let's see how to apply. So when I will go to this link, I will be redirected to a page that is a career page of Paytm. Here I need to click on students. When I will click on students, I will be redirected to a portal, that is a job portal of Paytm, and it is shown here that there are two internships. The two internships has been shown here, that is Noida, Bangalore. There are two locations, Noida, Bangalore, and for the general application there are the two locations, that is Noida, Bangalore. So if I am considering the second one, as I have told you about the second one, that is the general internship. That is, if you are app development, in app development, if you are in web development, if you are a good designer, if you are into operations, if you are into sales, you can apply for these internships. And what is the process? It is a simple process. You just need to go to a submit application. Here you will need to upload your resume. I will tell you briefly about the things. I will not click on, because and one thing more, that if you are going for any app development, web development, designing, anything, then I will say you one thing, that that create an account and maintain that account on LinkedIn, on GitHub, because you need to update everything. When you will update everything, you will get many, like you can get many opportunities from there also. From LinkedIn also many of you are getting job, from GitHub also many of you are getting job. So it will be more it will be more beneficial for you if you maintain your GitHub account, LinkedIn account. These are very important, because these are the social media of a job. Like if you are going for a job, or if you are a recruiter, any recruiter will firstly when he will need to get a he is needing his company is needing any requirement for the candidates. Then what he will do, he will go to a LinkedIn and search for the candidates, and he will see their profile. That is important. So these the things are important. So full name, here enter your full name, email, phone number, current company. You can if you don't have any current company, you can just provide any here. Your LinkedIn URL, that is not important if you don't have, but I will recommend you to apply, create a LinkedIn, or if you are not having LinkedIn, so create the account and maintain the account, then apply for this. Your GitHub URL, if you have any portfolio site, you can apply, you can paste here that link of your portfolio site. And what additional information, the additional information you need to fill here, that will help you in getting this internship, because Paytm is a very good company. It is a great startup of India, so many applications they will be getting. So if you if you want to get good, enter your good information that you need to highlight here. And about the resume, you need to mention the projects there. what projects, about any project, about technical project, non-tech projects, any project you have done. So you need to mention in that resume. That will help you in getting this internship. And just click on submit your application. That is it. And the second one, that is design internship. What is the job role of this? This is the basic job role, is that you need to, like, what is the job description? Just read that. We are looking for an innovative design intern who have a strong passion on understanding the what are the things that you will be getting in this. Like, you need to encourage the customers who are not installed the Paytm. So you need to encourage them and tell the benefits of the Paytm that they will install, and you will get the that is the basic thing that you need to do. You need to encourage, and you need to work in a team. You will be put into team, and real-time projects will also be included in your internship. So you will be getting very good experience. The duration is of both the internship is 8 to 16 weeks. These are the basic duration. Okay, so these are the two internships that I have told you. You can also find these links in the Telegram channel. I have posted there. So just go to my Telegram channel. You will get all the links there. So that was all about the Paytm internship. We have discussed everything about the Paytm internships. There are two internships I have told you. That is, the one is the general internships. Second one is the normal internships. Okay. So if you like this video, please considering click on that like button, and click on the subscribe button so that you never miss an update, and just click the bell icon too, so you never miss an update when I upload the videos of these kinds. If you haven't followed me on my Instagram, just follow me on Instagram, because I am going live there also and clearing all your doubts there also. So thank you for watching this video. We will meet you in the next video with another opportunity of internship, job interviews, anything. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.